this video, you'll learn how to add Google Pay as a payment option on Gumroad in just a few minutes. First, log into your Gumroad account. Once you're in, you'll be on your dashboard, which is your control center for all account activities and settings. Next, locate the settings option at the top of the page and click on it. This is where you manage your personal and business account settings, so it's important to get familiar with this area. From here, find and click on the payment section. This is where you set up and manage how you receive money from your digital store. Inside the payment section, go to the bank account area. If you already have a Google Pay account linked to a credit card, adding your bank account here is straightforward. Enter the details of your Google bank account, following the on-screen prompts carefully to ensure everything is accurate. By linking your Google credit card details, your Gumroad account will now be able to accept payments via Google Pay. This makes checkout faster and easier for your customers, providing a smooth and convenient experience. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Pay to your Gumroad account. Offering multiple payment options is a smart way to boost customer satisfaction and can help increase sales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Gumroad tutorials.